Hello, this is Randy Hubbard coming to you live from Louisville, Kentucky. Now today we have got one badass automobile. This thing right here is a 1941 Willys. This thing is beautiful. I mean, this is one badass car. This is the kind of car I'd like to take home and park in my garage and just sit in it all day long. I can enjoy just looking at this car. Now this is beautiful. Here's what it's got. We got a custom street rod professionally built because of the frame and everything. It's got 427 Windsor aluminum heads, Eldenbrock high-rise intake, Holley double feed, double pumper carburetor, Zimmy chrome plated headers, a flamethrower. It's got Roush pulleys, 4-speed automatic transmission with Lantec manual overdrive, rack and pinion, custom rear end 4-link suspension, coilovers, 4-wheel power disc brakes, weld wheels. Weld wheels with Hoosier tires. It's got PPG Vibrance Red with ghost flames, golden tan leather interior and trunk, upholstery, vintage air conditioning, auto meter gauges, Pioneer AM FM CD radio. Anyway, let's take a look at this big bad boy. I mean, this is one fine car. I love these Willys. You know, the Willys is it's kind of like the number one, or used to be anyway, like the number one car they'd want to take down the drag strip. Number two, it's like one of the most popular cars, most sought after cars. Number three, it's one of the most popular when it comes to the car shows. Number four, this thing is just awesome to drive. So you got a fine car right here. I love the paint on it. Love the interior. Love the way that interior is done, and that leather is beautiful. That tan, that's awesome. I mean, it's awesome. This car is a fine car. Now, if you're interested in this car, you can go right over here to scan this barcode, or it'll be in a title description, or it's floating across this banner going across the bottom down there, that ticker. So if you're interested in this car, just let's check it out. So thank you. God bless. Have a good day. And I'll see you on the next video.